In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel link to TikTok. Linking your YouTube channel in your TikTok profile is a great way to turn viewers into long-term subscribers. I'll walk you through it step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your phone as you watch. First, open the YouTube app and go to your channel dashboard. This is your main channel page, where you see your banner, profile picture, and your videos. Make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account, the one you actually want people to visit from TikTok. Once you're on your channel page, look just below your channel name and username. You should see a button or an option labeled More. Tap on that. This expands a few extra options related to your channel that aren't shown by default. From that expanded menu, look for the option that says Share Channel. Tap on Share Channel. Depending on your device, this might open a small pop-up at the bottom or a share sheet with different apps and options. In that share pop-up, you'll see several icons for different apps, but what we care about is the actual link. There should be an option that simply says Copy or Copy Link. Tap on Copy. When you do this, YouTube copies your channel URL to your device's clipboard, so you can paste it anywhere else. You won't see it yet, but it's stored and ready to use. Now switch over to the TikTok app and go to your profile dashboard. This is the page with your TikTok username, profile picture, and your posts. Again, make sure you're on the right account, especially if you manage more than one profile. On your profile, find the section where you can edit your bio. Tap into the bio field to start editing. This is where your YouTube link will live. Press and hold in the bio box until the paste option appears, then tap Paste. You should now see your full YouTube channel link inside your TikTok bio text. As a quick tip, you can add a short call to action before or after the link, like watch my full videos on YouTube, to make it clear what the link is for, as long as you don't remove the URL itself. When you're happy with how it looks, tap on Save. TikTok will update your profile and your YouTube channel link is now live in your bio. Anyone visiting your TikTok profile can tap that link and go straight to your YouTube channel.